How to fix this page has been blocked by your administrator error in Windows. If you are using third-party antivirus software, it could potentially be obstructing your access to the desired website. Certain antivirus programs include website filtering options, but it's important to note that not all of them offer this feature. In the event that your antivirus lacks this functionality, consider temporarily disabling it. If that didn't work, to change your DNS settings to use Google DNS, you typically need to access your network or device settings and replace the default DNS server addresses provided by your ISP with Google's DNS server addresses, which are 8.8.8.8, preferred DNS, and 8.8.4.4, alternate DNS. In the Manual Proxy Setup section, click on the Setup button. Next, enable Use a Proxy Server and enter the proxy server IP address and port. Save changes.